This tempered glass camera lens cover is only for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Because different models of iPhones have different camera sizes. Please check your phone model before purchase. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Open black lens bracket, strong security protection, closed black lens bracket, designed for iPhone 15 Pro 6.1 inch, iPhone 15 Pro Max 6.7 inch. The lens protector is made of aircraft aluminum and 9H hardness tempered glass, which can withstand great impact or drop wear and tear with strong security protection. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Open black lens bracket, ultra high definition, closed black lens bracket, made of 9H hardness ultra high definition tempered glass, up to 99.99% optical grade light transmittance, effectively blocking and filtering UV rays, and perfectly restoring the original amazing image performance of iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Open black lens bracket, personalized and case-friendly, closed black lens bracket, a standalone camera lens protector specially designed for iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, glossy, shiny and attractive, make your iPhone more personalized and attractive, suitable for almost all phone cases. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Open black lens bracket, easy installation, closed black lens bracket, after cleaning and drying the lens with an alcohol cloth before installation, let it sit for 2 minutes before proceeding to the next step, so as not to fog up the lens due to alcohol evaporation. Then put the camera lens protector over the camera lens and then gently pass your finger through the center of the camera lens for bubble-free installation. Waterproof and dust-proof, no fogging, no residue when removing. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. To order, follow the link in the description.